Okay, guys, let's click the button. What the heck? Hey, you can push people in this game?
No, you can't just. Wait, stop! Got it!
Roblox, stay away. Hey, Michael, oh, cheater.
Don't push me, please. I wanna go up there, please.
Push people off.
Hell yeah.
Push people off. Push people
Whoa,
off.
chill out. Whoa.
Push people off. Push people. Hey.
It is.
Alex versus Cody. Who wins? What the?
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win?
Who's gonna win, bro?
Hey, let's just watch. Hey. Who the hell is gonna win?
Hey, shut up.
I'm gonna join.
Oh, goddamn.
Go!
Hacker! How is he still pushing me?
How did you have to push? Heck.
Oh god, it's a slide. Oh god, it's a slide.
No, the guy. Hey, you guys are scared. Woo!
Oh, goddamn.
What? How you guys go there?
I got a high five in the face. Goddamn.
Bro, I'm only slipping. That's it. I can't even walk.
Stop jumping then. There's the people that went to the slide.
How do I have 21 coins, dude? What? Hey,
Chill out. Yeah.
Calm down. You guys are gonna fall by 1 point there. What the hell? What the hell? What the flip? What the flip?
What the hell? What the hem?
I'm good, mister!
Go on, we dead.
I survived though.
I survived!
Shut the hell.
Oh.
What the?
The moon!
We're in space.
Screw!
You mean Vector?
Where's Vector? He's just supposed to be.
How do you
What do we do?
This game's actually kind of fun.
It's addicting, it's not fun.
Help! I'm lagging.
I'm going to die.
I'm wasted.
I want this coin. Haha, not yours. What the? Oh, hell!
GG.
I'm alive.
You know what? Hell yeah.
That's not impossible. Oh.
Just go by the head here.
You cannot actually jump over that. That's impossible. I wanna press the button. Me. What the flip?
We're in the Titanic? Oh god, wait, no! Wait. Change the ship!
I don't have to drive!
Oh god, we're sinking!
I don't have license!
Sinking.
I'm on the top.
We're drowning! Oh no, the guy!
Noob!
What? Why is he?
Noob,
He's floating! Cheater!
Drowning, sinking.
Yeah!
Hacker!
I'm jumping up the ship! Abandoned ship! Wait!
What?
Who are these imbeciles?
Is that Lucky Blocks?
Lucky blocks! Nah!
Why do you call it blocks instead of box?
Guys, let's dance, bro.
Okay.
Let's dance, guys, yeah.
It's the goofiest dance ever.
Look at this bit.
Hey, they disappeared already before
How
I
dare
danced.
you?
I wanna play.
What? KYS!
Oh, hi.
Hi, guys. I got the availability.
What happened?
I'm gonna press
Kiki! Me! Yeah! I got the key. I just wanna be your friend.
I got a key.
I just wanna be the key. I just wanna be your friend. Maybe to the end. Maybe to the end.
I'm a Piggy Master! Oh, goddamn.
Oh, not again!
Not again.
Wait, I realized Piggy has faster speed for some reason.
Wait, kill me,
I
please.
can just stay here, yeah!
I will kill you! Oh,
Why
hell
you
no!
keep
Oh,
it
hell no!
up?
Oh, hell no! Oh, hell no!
I'm not cheating.
No cheating. Cheating. Whoa. You gotta calm down, bro.
Whoa.
Cheat.
Okay, we're good.
I want to put
I just wanted to get
No.
you.
What the hell?
Where are we?
Titanic.
Bro, why did the mountains look like freaking
Oh,
ice?
it's shrinking. It's shrinking.
Mr. Beast.
Alex, what the?
Mr. Beast be like, whoever's the last one that goes into the freezing cold water will win $5 million.
Really?
Yeah, bro. I said the last one.
Oh.
You lose already.
Oh no.
Ah!
Oh.
Wait, what?
I'm going to take
Let me
it.
touch his button.
Why is like a thousand pigs?
Obby. No!
Obby.
Oh hell no! What the?
Man,
What? It's not possible. Too short.
Yeah!
Yeah, it's an easy obby, bro. What are those guys?
Why you guys
What the?
talking?
I want to be this guy.
Hey!
Wait, I wanna be that guy. Wait.
Block Maddox. Block Maddox.
Wait, yes, enhanced jump.
Whoa, I need it.
Yeah. Yeah. Right, wait, I want to press the button. I want to press the button.
Lego.
Click the button.
I want to use an auto clicker.
Wait, I'm dying. Oh.
Oh, what the flip?
Follow me, guys!
No, you suck.
Which one are you?
I'm gonna find the way out.
Oh,
Biggie following us.
Someone jump. Okay, whoever is that next to me, I don't know who you are.
wait, jump if you actually.
Someone jumping? That's me.
I'm
I
following
found
you.
it! GG!
Oh,
Okay,
GG, I found it.
Oh, dude, I found you.
Who was the guy following me?
Me. I'm jumping right here, bro. I'm jumping.
I'm jumping.
I told you, bro. I knew where the exit was.
Shut up.
Shut up. I knew
Shut
it
up, you
easy,
are-
bro. Mazes are easy, bro.
Nah, I had my eyes closed.
I had my eyes closed. Malix, jump.
Left.
I guess Malix is this guy right here.
This guy.
Oh, I'm this guy. Oh, never mind.
How this pea shooter looking guy gonna make it?
What do we do? Go to the island?
Creator, the developer of Drawing. Wow!
Already.
It's
GG.
not easy. It's not easy.
What the hell is a shark?
Let's click the button again.
360.
I'll get this button. I wanna click the button, bro.
Hey guys, don't 360 at the end, bro.
Shortcut parkour.
What you get for winning in the end?
Oh.
Money. Oh,
Giggity do.
360! Ah! Hey guys. Click. What the? Oh hell no!
Here.
Okay, this one.
Squid Game.
Okay, this one. This one. Then
One second.
this one. Who's gonna take the jump? Okay, this one. Oh, that guy died. This one.
Was me.
This one. Guys, come on.
Nah.
Hell no, I ain't going, bro.
I'll get this.
Then this one. Alright.
We need one more.
Oh, it's this one. Then this one. Then this
We're
one.
gonna be the Squid Game.
Yeah.
I wanna be Squid Game. I am Squid Game. Let's go. Jump in the corner.
No.
Yes, jump in the corner if you're a boy. Okay. Oh, got it. Okay.
Oh.
Woo.
Wait.
I'm doing it again.
I'm doing it again. So you do this one, this one, this one. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3. Boom. 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 Ah!
Oh my god.
3, 4.
What? Oh, it's this thing again.
Wait, get it. The
I
Squid
wanna be
Game
the, I
sucks.
wanna be Squid Game guys too.
No, the Squid Game sucks. I just wanna get the key.
I just wanna key.
Yeah. Yeah. Nobody's so Obby so easy.
Hey, who are you? Who are you? Stop that! Hey, stop! That's my money! Hey, this is my money! Get away! Get away! This is my money. My I can't even go
Hey
there.
guys, let's play Among Us.
Oh, make me.
Make me.
Manos, remember that
Okay.
game you wanted to play? What is that? Oh, it's a tsunami! Actually, I think the green guy is the best one in this map.
Yeah.
For real. Alright, what Shadow?
Let's play it. Remember that game you wanted to play? Oh.
Hallelujah.
Wait,
Oh.
when?
That
What is that?
imposter, the Among Us goofy game. What was that?
Super sus?
Yeah.
Oh god! Oh, okay.
Let's play Super Sauce, guys.
When?
Today?
When?
No.
Okay.
How about CTD?
I am never gonna make a video of that. What the hell?
Hantu.
Midnight.
Let's go! Whoa! Run!
What the hell? What the hell is the dude hitbox? I can literally dodge him.
Blow! Whoa!
Bro, this is an easy boss.
Yeah, this boss sucks.
You can't even walk on the lava! What?
God.
Easy, bro.
What?
Guys, you can just go between his hands.
That was the most easiest boss ever. Oh,
Yeah.
hi.
Hi, sir.
Go between the hands.
What if I get touched by the hand?
Go in lava.
Nothing. You just get the pushed.
Uh,
Bro, it doesn't even harm you. It just like
Kawan just
pushes
died
you.
by touching his hand.
Oh.
What the hell?
Oh, never mind. Wait, he reset it. What a scammer.
Oh. Oh.
No, I actually died.
Oh my god, I'm hacking. Wait,
Guys, I'm
never mind,
hacking.
never mind.
Look, I'm hacking. Guys, I'm hacking.
Look, I'm hacking.
I'm hacking.
I just wanna get the key.
Oh, hell yeah. I
Oh.
want these here. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Wow! It's all you. That's why you always look left and right, kids.
I have a car now.
In the twilight.
What the
Oh,
flip?
false.
Balls.
Ooh.
Bruh.
Damn.
I want this one.
Oh.
Haha ball, haha ball, haha. Haha ball, bye.
Nah, get goofy.
Throw this off the cliff too.
Like I'm in the twilight zooming.
What the? Hey, heck.
I always see you like.
What the? Oh, I want to do. Yeah. Let's go, guys.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Let's go, guys. Everyone get on, bro.
Haha.
Collab.
Collect. Oh, never
I
mind.
got the top first. GG, easy.
Hey, shut up.
So black. Is this thing gonna move? Oh.
Wow. Shit.
Bro, I bet at the end it's just gonna stop.
Wait, it's gonna stop and fall down very fast, I think.
Hello?
Ah.
It's just gonna fall.
Bruh.
Whoa! That's kinda lame.
Bro, guys, look at this. Hey, hey, my money! No, stop! Alex, you suck! You actually suck. Give me my money,
Oh, guys,
please.
it's a rocket!
There's a rocket. Oh, go kick my ass.
Okay, KYS, I want that rocket.
I want that rocket! Yeah!
Let
That
me
rocket
in.
kinda
Guys, everyone
nasty,
sit
though.
down. I'm on it right now. You guys are noob. I'm second row noob.
How the hell?
Hi, guys.
Oh, we're blasting
There's
off.
below.
Yeah!
What is happening?
How is Cola with us?
I'm at the very bottom.
Yeah, we're going
Oh,
up.
I am.
Oh, aw.
Oh, I fall.
L.
Someone got flaked. Someone got oh.
What the hell?
Follow me.
Shut up, shut up,
What's
shut
that
up.
noise? What is that? What is that? What is that?
Oh, there's a black hand.
Yeah.
Oh, I found the end. Easy. What the frick? Oh my god.
Black guy!
I thought he was just that black guy. I thought he was just a normal player. That was just a normal player. But no.
Yeah, that's why I scream black guy.
I thought he was just a normal player, but no, it's a monster. But then, what the hell? We could get that. We could get that. We could get that. We could get that.
I like
Oh shit!
Don't you god
L.
I'm gonna be here for the rest of my life.
Hey bro. Wait, why can I go in there? Okay. Hey bro.
Why so high?
Hey, jump, Manox. I suck, bro. I'm in my car.
What was that?
It's just a dog. Yeah, I got the big coin!
Ah.
What's with the
Again?
dog, bro?
Let me spark it for you.
Lanky Box Justin! Guys, Lanky Box Justin! Oh,
Oh god,
come on.
not again.
I don't wanna die with my drip, bro.
Let me irk it for you.
Ah! Oh, no! Oh.
Oh no no.
Oh no. Oh no, you're okay.
Balik pa.
Oh. Oh, okay. GG.
Too easy.
Alex, stop getting that.
Oh. With the car. With the
Oh, I
car.
want a car.
Yeah.
No! What happened to the... Yeah! I want the car! Yeah! Let's go, Cola! Yeah!
Yeah, there.
These
Wait, I
cars
want
suck! Oh, I'm winning!
Wait, I want-
Easy! I thought you black! Easy! Easy!
Ow.
Cab!
I want one.
What the hell's happening to the cars?
Yeah, what the? Yeah. Oh, money.
Oh,
Oh, what the hell? Boo.
Boo! Oh, that's it!
What do you want me to grab?
Oh, one, bad, bro, bad.
I'm gonna die.
Oh, everyone! I'm gonna die.
Kill Mada.
You don't know which one I am.
I win! You lose! Ah!
Hi Mada.
What? How can you still kick? Cheat! Oh, I have my revenge, you see.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna die. Oh, goddamn.
What is that baller?
Oh, my respect on you, Alex.
Stop!
Come here, Alex. I have auto clicker, you can't counter me. I know it's bad dogs.
I lost my Squid Game drip.
Stop.
Oh, come here, Alex.
Why could you still punch? Oh, what's this?
Oh god. What is this?
Punching.
Oh, it's this one. This is easy.
What are you gonna do, Amanda?
Hey guys, you wanna
Okay,
do the story game now?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay,
Cody, where are you?
After this round.
What? Color.
Cola. There's no way.
CTD.
Oh my
No,
god.
shut up.
What are we doing there? Guys, alright, let's hop into the next game. Let's go, guys. We're in the next game, Amanda's story. Let's go. Wait.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Hey, welcome
Go,
to
go,
my-
go, 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 go!
Go in. Is there one in the car? Is there one in the car?
Yeah, everyone's in the car. I'm in the car. It's blue. It's like Maddox. It's uglier than Maddox.
What the fuck?
It's uglier than you. Is what
What
he
am I-
meant. Which means you're prettier. Is what he means.
Get shadow demonetized.
Okay.
How?
Amanda game.
Shut up.
Cap.
The title Goofy.
Goofy. Yeah. Waiting for other. Nah. Waiting for other players to load. Nah. Shit.
What is this nostalgic sound
Hey
check?
guys.
Jake.
Welcome to my
Hey
house.
guys, welcome to my
It's a
house.
big house.
Wait, I do it.
Missing.
Go ahead and look around. Get cozy.
There's someone missing.
Who's gonna voice act Jake's mom?
Wait, no. I disconnected. Failed to teleport.
Oh my goodness gosh.
Do you restart?
Let's
Yeah.
restart. 3, 2, 1.
Calling for 7 hours.
I
guys.
see who you are. You're my enemy.
Man, this is like
yeah,
Maddox but uglier. Look at this dude. It's kind of like Maddox even for. No!
What?
Guys, join. Come on.
Come on, Jake!
Join.
Why is there a bootleg version of me but naked?
What?
What?
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
I was
yes,
saying about that. I was talking about that. Guys, come on, guys.
Where?
Come
Show
on.
me.
Come on.
Show me where.
Come on. Let's go, guys.
Here.
It's right here in the
This
car.
blue.
Oh, McDonald's.
Where
on the
the
phone. Yeah. Guys, come on.
Where is Cola and Calix?
Come
Cola,
on.
Calix, quick! Vision
Don't be
hello.
puss. Don't be puss.
Calix, Cola. Guys, go to the morph. Go to the buff morph. 2 morphs. Guys, come here. Look at goddamn Wooly right here. You look goofy. Like Wooly.
Okay, guys, come on. Let's go. Everyone's here.
Cola, wake up.
Guys, zero people. Guys, zero people. No!
Wait. Okay. No!
Go.
Quick.
Let's go.
Come on.
Oh,
Guys, join.
Inside.
Only 4
Get
people.
out. A certain someone couldn't join. Who joined? Calix, I swear to God, why?
what happened?
It's fine. You probably teleport failed.
Wait, teleport failed? Calix?
Teleport failed.
Why is
Hey.
teleporting failed?
I don't know.
Chill.
Is that Amazon?
Let's go.
I wanna see who you are.
Okay, guys.
Watch this.
Okay, let's go,
Good
Jake.
job, give voice Mother Erker.
Waiting for other players. Right.
I'm Jake's mom. Who's Jake?
Wait, who's Jake?
Hey guys, welcome to my house. Go ahead,
Wait, I'm gonna voice line Jake.
go ahead, look
ahead
around.
and
Get close.
look around.
Hey, I do it.
Oh my
Shut up, that first of me.
Okay,
fine,
guys,
I'll
let's
do the
explore the
one.
house. Oh, hell
I'll
no.
do Jake's
On
mom.
the second dialogue, however the second person dies, second dialogue,
I'll
who
do
will it
Jake's
be?
mom and Wooly.
Jake's mom.
Okay, Calix will be Jake's one.
I'll do Wooly.
Let's go to the playground.
We're already going that early?
Maddox.
Come on,
Can
guys.
I do Amanda? Can I do
Yeah.
Amanda?
Okay,
Let's go.
okay, Shadow be Wooly, I guess.
I don't wanna be the ugly ass sheep.
Go, let's go, Amanda.
Let's play.
Let's play, yay!
Oh,
Well, I'm gonna be the world's FIFA champion.
World Cup.
World Cup. No, God, no.
No.
Yeah, I regret it.
World Cup.
Look!
World Cup. World Cup. Wait, guys.
Who's the dog?
It's time for dinner. Go inside.
Okay, I guess we gotta go.
Yo. Finally, I'm starving.
Finally, I'm starving.
Finally.
You have to be dub.
Dig in, let's eat.
Yeah. Nam
Where?
nam nam.
Oh.
Nam nam nam.
Yeah, go.
Go.
Kitty bop bop bop, what the hell?
Really dub. Yeah.
Alex.
I have a mustache.
Oh my gosh, it got big fast.
Okay, kids. I think it's time for bed.
Oh, my friends are over. What? What do you mean over?
No.
Can we watch Amanda the Adventurer?
No, she
I'm
ugly.
Amanda. I'm Amanda.
Were we watching it here?
Wants to go with that with me.
I'm out of here. I'm going to the second room.
Yes, thank you, Mom! Thank you!
Oh god.
I can't remember where I put the tape though.
Look, it's gonna be in the toy box.
Can you guys help me find it?
Wait, we're actually. Oh my god, that's actually the game.
Wait, Miss Bendy Thomas? Really? Can you found it? Nice.
Oh, yeah.
I already do.
You found it! Cody found it. Let's go watch it.
Okay, guys, let's go watch it.
Bro, what is this tape? This is a large tape right here.
Okay, insert, let's go. My favorite. Oh, what is a giant thing? Okay, everyone, shush.
Whoa!
Hi everyone, I'm Amanda.
What? No.
We need to find vegetables for Grandma.
What?
I thought Grandma didn't like vegetables.
You never have to try something new.
It actually sounds like Dora.
Can you guys find the ghost?
I want to say
Guys,
a
it's the
lot
yellow
of swear
one.
words
It's the
on
yellow one. Guys, follow me. Everyone, follow me. This one. No, wait, is that grocery? No, that's the meat store. Everyone, this one. Guys, everyone. Why is it there? Bro, this why you always watch the street kids. I gotta run over it, bro. I'm a pro.
Easy.
Yeah, we found it, Amanda.
How are
Got
we in the
it.
game though?
Great, now get the vegetables for Grandma.
What do we need? 5 vegetables.
Oh. Just ignore the balls and then get the carrots, bro.
You got 1 vegetable? Okay, yes.
And then put it to the cashier.
Oh, okay.
Just ignore the balls and get the realistic vegetable. That's about it.
There you go, sir.
I already gave the vegetables.
Yeah, I already gave mine. Oh, I see one.
Mine. I'm not
Hey,
gonna
guys,
do
I already
it.
did
I'm not gonna do it. Great, you found a vegetable.
You sound like a girl.
Let's give them to Grandma.
Granny's house.
What? Let's go get the tape for episode 2. Go. Found it. You found it. It was at the laundry. Look at this tape, bro. It's so big. Guys, go to the dining. Let's go watch it.
Let's go, guys.
Yeah.
Look at the TV. Wait. Go.
Whoa. Hurry! Leave! Why you?
Hey guys, it's Commando!
Ah,
Today
Galaxy.
we are getting next for Grandma.
Tiny.
Can you guys find the mix?
No.
No, we're too stupid.
No. Oh, no, don't.
Let me go! Whoa, go here again. Ah!
Be careful.
Easy, no hits.
Easy, no hits. Just how I play Funky Friday.
Oh, I got that.
So you miss all the time.
Yes.
Great
Great!
Good.
job!
I forgot.
Let's go!
Mario, let's
Mamma
go!
mia! Mamma mia!
Woo!
Oh my god!
Amanda,
What the-
Hey, Mr. Butcher. Can you tell him what we want?
Pizza!
Yeah, pizza! We like our pizza.
Pizza.
Let's do pizza, let's do pizza.
Pizza.
We go.
I want cookie.
Uh-oh.
Whoa,
That's the one.
whoa, chill out, there. That's
Yo,
it.
chill.
Cookie, cookie.
Cookie, cookie.
Cookie,
Dookie.
cookie.
Cookie. I mean, bruh, you're bad.
Bro, this butcher goofy.
Just eat my meat.
We coming right up.
Me coming right up.
Come
Let's go deliver it to Grandma.
Who's grandma?
Episode 3. 3, 2, 1, go.
Granny's house.
Nah.
What, your mom watches it? What the hell?
Just watching.
The one was watching.
Granny's balls.
Doesn't matter what the heck.
There is upstairs. Go check upstairs.
Doesn't matter if it's up there.
You found it. Who found it? Who found it? Oh,
No.
Hey,
Let's go
I'm not
watch
gonna
it.
put it. I'm not gonna put
Let's
it.
go watch it,
man,
guys.
you're black.
Insert the tape. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Whoa!
Hello, everyone.
Oh, why's your guys so glowing?
Welcome to the third episode.
Yo, she's fourth ball. Yeah.
Scorpio.
Can you guys guess what we're gonna do?
What? Kill us?
Shark.
Break in our house?
What, guys?
Yes.
She's evil!
Nah.
Why did you tell them? Come here.
What the?
What the hell?
Calyx.
Jake.
Kill Wooly, not us, bro.
Kill
Kill
me.
Ow!
Oh, easy.
No.
What the hell? Nah, she learned
What
how
the
to
hell do we
jump. She learned how to jump. She learned how to jump. She learned how to jump.
Bro, run.
Help!
No. Bye-bye.
We should try looking around to find what to do at this one.
Does my hand smell like my butt?
What?
What?
That's so random.
How would you smell up your butt? Wait,
Wooly, help us or something.
Go on the roof. How
Oh.
did you get on the roof?
Where did she go?
Where did she go?
Where did she go?
Oh.
My butt.
Oh. Guys, hurry, come over here.
Come over.
Where?
And where is over here?
How are we
Oh, here,
included?
here.
Wait, how are we even included in this war? I thought we were just watching. It should be safe in here. Go, go, go!
Coming inside.
Bro, let me in. Oh, what the hell?
Hey.
Where are we? Where are we, guys?
Aw.
A jump.
I'm not sure, but I'm not going back. Let's go. Let's go, mate.
I just
Let's
want
go,
to jump
blue
off.
team.
Rainbow, this
You cannot
used to
jump
be
off,
the
Cody.
9/11 tower, but it
I
got
was gonna
burned
jump off
down.
at the start.
Yeah, same. Oh, there's a cave.
Bye,
What's
Martha.
this? Why are there baseball bats? Are we playing Granny's house?
Oh, we're gonna fight. We're gonna
Granny's house. I wanna take one.
I wanna stay.
I wanna
We
go.
have to wait for Jake to come down.
My goodness, Jake, so slow.
Died. I'm not sure about this.
Cody? No, okay. Grab a bat so we can protect ourselves. Yeah, yeah.
That's
yeah.
not.
Woody, what the heck?
Alex. Yeah, maybe it could be a way out.
Wait, there's 5 men here, only 1 woman. Yeah.
Let's go.
Nah. Oh.
Oh.
No, what? Wait, can I just zoom out and check? No.
No, not possible. No. Wait, let this woman do it.
What's a trap and what's not?
Wait. Let's see if she dies.
Go.
We go. Ay, wait.
Phew, good thing we chose this one. Yeah.
Okay, what's
just
this
a
game?
maneuver.
We have to draw?
It's just me.
Okay. Oh, I'm out of ink. Done. What the hell?
Oh my god. Okay, wait. Low silver. Let's go to the low silver.
I'm surviving! Easy,
Guys, I found
easy.
Okay, I know how that works. Okay.
Guys, I
Join
found
Cody, join
one.
Cody.
Join.
Wait, is that a private server or nah?
No players, sorry. 3 players.
Alright, then I'm a join.
I know
Oh. Ah!
Whoa.
Cody. No!
Yo. What is colas? What, dude?
Yes! Ah! Yeah! I'm making it!
I see that, Alex.
Let's go! Oh. Alright.
Oh no, my car's
Hey,
out.
Calix. Bye, Calix.
Una ka
Bro,
po,
why you guys
madam.
so slow?
Hey, Kiko!
No! Oh, wait! No! I knew I should have added this to my car!
Gigi!
Ah, Cody!
I'm copying what kind of...
Ow!
Bro, you're
Ah!
back.
Bye.
Wait! Undo! I need my car to be
I am the
black!
same car of Maddox.
Wait, what stage are you guys in? I'm in 9.
I mean, 14.
Mid
Oh
12.
my
What the-
5. I'm in 5.
Yo, Cody, look, I got these drip thing. Look, Cody, look at these, bro. Look at these, Cody. Yo! These cars are going fast.
Bye, Calix.
Bro, I'm speeding through these, bro. These wheels are on top.
Oh, Calix.
Hey, chill.
Yes.
What?
Yo,
BM searching.
chill. Ow.
No, Maddox.
Yeah.
What, Calix? What?
I got that drip.
Oh, hell no. I'm not gonna get past the spikes. Oh. Yeah. Bro, I got probably like the best wheels in the game, dude. This is just just dominating everything at this
Oh,
point.
what is your wheel? What is your wheel?
I don't know what this looks like. It looks like an H.
Mine is like an X, and it's just soloing through.
My H is mine looks like some goofy H thing is soloing as well.
Ah!
Oh, level 22 already, guys. What's going on?
Oh. Oh.
Oh no, level 23. Bro, these wheels are crap.
Bye, Alex.
Stop.
Bro, come on. Calyx and Cola, how are you guys on level 8 and 6?
Stop.
Bro, you guys are mid!
I'm stuck.
Haha.
Stop that, bro.
Nah.
Undo! Line!
Solos!
I'm stuck.
Yeah.
Ah!
Bye, Alex.
Ah! Every time I fell, I'm gonna say that. Ah! Oh!
I'm stuck.
My wheels are broken. Okay, there. Let's go. Yeehaw. No!
Shit.
Let's go.
I
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm just wanna
Stop.
I think my car needs to be curved.
I'm searching YouTube.
Done. I think this is good. Oh, hell yeah! These are some good wheels now. Alright, bet. Yo! These are some cracked wheels. Bro, why am I so ahead of you guys? What's going on?
No.
No! I hate these things!
Oh, make me. What is the
Oh my
question
God.
mark? It's just.
Yes.
I
actually hate this. I actually hate this. Why?
Oh, man.
Stage 34 is so trash. I hate stage 34.
Go talk to someone. Who's that?
Why is stage 34 so dumb?
Look at my car, Alex.
This just disables all.
Hell no.
Yeah! Bro, you guys are gonna have a hard time on 34, bro.
Okay.
Trust me, I beat it. It's actually annoying. Yes,
Oh my God.
wheels are
I
working!
just-
Oh shoot.
I got some.
37, no! Yes, no, why are you disabled? You stupid car!
Oh, this is what you're talking about? Damn.
No, why am I sideways? I cannot let this guy named Maddox catch up. No, why am I losing? I hate my stage 37 sucks, dude.
Ah!
What is this?
Okay, how do I help?
What actual hell is this? What is this, dude? Yes, I want triple wheels. Why?
Roll another game.
Bro, call a rage quit. That's goofy.
Ah!
Oh, you're talking about
Hammer on shit!
Super go.
Yes, we're going. But
Hell yeah.
Shadow was catching up with
Yes, yes!
No!
Yes! Propellers! Propellers for the win! Propellers!
Oh yeah!
Oh shit!
Goddamn, bro.
think these will come in handy now. Okay, start. Back to these dudes, bro. Oh no. Oh wait. Okay, 41. Okay, we're good. 41. Slow and
I'm
steady
almost
wins the. Oh, slow and steady wins. Yes, 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 yes. Wait, how am I gonna do this? Yes, yes.
Oh, move!
Oh no. Oh. 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 Okay. Slow and steady. Yes. 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 Yes.
Papa, do you love me or not?
Hey, that's cheating. Hey.
Yes. My wheels are on top. No.
Hey, you're cheating. You're what?
John.
Go.
Yes. Yeah. Oh my God. These wheels are so handy. Oh no, not in these situations. What the heck?
Bye, my dog.
Yeah, no, easy. Oh, come on. No, I'm so close.
Man, goddamn.
No, 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 no. Yes.
Why is someone named Dove?
I beat that guy already. He sucks.
He pushed my car. That's cheating.
Give me the ball.
Oh no.
Ah, what the heck? Guys, I'm cheating. I'm using hacks, bro. I'm using
That's worth of a sacrifice.
Brothers, you're still on 48.
Yeah.
You're still playing that game.
Yeah, this game is good. I have to switch my car wheels.
We're moving. What the?
How do I do wave 57?
What the?
What? This. How about this? I got circle on my wheels. Yeah! Circles! Yes, yes, my tires are still good. Yeah! Ah! What the hell, bro?
I mean, dude.
Yes.
Rock black.
Yes.
When you get strong.
Yes. No, wait. Yes. Keep going. Keep going.
Cheetah.
Noob, noob. My wheels are just better than yours.
No, I'm making a comeback.
Oh shoot. I got
Hey, what the hell?
I got upgrade these wheels.
Wing?
I got upgrade these wheels. I got... Oh wait, this is black.
I shall.
What's up?
Over there.
No way.
I shall.
What a cheater! This game's bad. I'm leaving, bro.